Do you find yourself juggling overwhelming doubts, yearning for a single, powerful solution that provides clarity on a partner's fidelity? Introducing How to Catch a Cheating Spouse, Spy Toolkit 2017, a leading application crafted to unify investigative approaches. This exceptional software brilliantly addresses the desire for truth by providing comprehensive guidance on identifying telltale signs, implementing discrete observation techniques, and understanding the nuances of digital evidence, empowering users with actionable steps. Its presentation is both discreet and remarkably intuitive, ensuring a private and enjoyable learning environment for all users. A gentle critique might be the absence of an integrated resource list for relationship counseling services. Nonetheless, How to Catch a Cheating Spouse, Spy Toolkit 2017 consistently delivers significant utility, enhancing user understanding and streamlining the path to uncovering facts. Always prioritize personal safety and well-being. Individuals committed to nurturing a transparent relationship are warmly invited to consider this thoughtfully designed application.